Hey guys, I am going live today with one of my friend. This is not any kind of show or anything. I just want to stay connected, know my friends better, and make our bond stronger. My friend who will be joining us today is Christina. She's also a blogger. She does a lot of YouTube videos, Insta, TikTok, and many more. And most importantly, she's also promoting our culture and life of Tripura through her videos. And I must tell you guys, if you all should go and check out her videos because many of you who have never gone to Northeast and who wants to visit our place because of how it looks and everything. Since it's quarantine, you can enjoy by watching her video on YouTube. Okay. Also, you guys can ask any questions if you want. To me, to her, anybody. Because it's just a casual, candid chat. Hello, Bubagra. Thank you so much for joining us. This means a lot. I'm waiting for Christina. We're gonna do a normal chat. And maybe you guys will enjoy watching our chat and listening to us. I should be busy with No, Bubagra, it's nothing like that. I'm waiting for Christina. We are comfortable with it. I mean, it's okay. Yes, Bubagra, we love you. Alright, Christina is here. Yay! Finally. Waiting for Christina to join us. Oh my god, finally. Ladies, I'm talking with. Alright, so Christina, say hi to the viewers.
Hi.
So many of our friends have joined Rupa, Papia. So
Yeah, Bapon. Hi. Thanks for watching.
Bubagra was here. I think he left now.
Happy New Year.
So Christina, I missed you. You know, actually, I already told them about your work, your videos that you upload on Insta, YouTube, TikTok, and everything.
Thank you so much.
It's like watching, you know, being in Northeast.
Thank
By
you
the
so
way, my
much.
favorite is that one. Shop till you drop.
Oh. Attitude
And,
was like my brother is.
Oh, crazy! He's cool. So, Christina, will you ever let me do shop till you drop with you?
No, never. Only
That's
for
gonna be my bucket list.
only for kids below 10 years old. They're also in village.
I'm only 9. You can take me for shopping someday. So, is there anything on your bucket list that you want to do with me? Like I want to do that kind of video, shop till you drop kind of thing. That's my bucket list with you.
No.
So do you have anything like that?
I can't afford that with you right now. So maybe what I was planning was after the lockdown we can maybe do a collab, maybe a bowling competition type. It's simple. We don't have to go far, and it's just here, so we can just do a bowling competition. Yeah, that's what I'm planning for now. Comment like that.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Seriously?
Yeah. No. Taipung Taipung
Oh, I thought Taipung. Okay. Monojit came for 1 minute and I think he left.
VIP. 1 minute
Exactly. I have another question for you. Okay, I wanted to know why have you never visited my party event?
Party ni kena China jangan chule dengan ni. Lega अच्छे से मेरा.
बताओ. Like I think every time I've invited you personally and blah blah blah, but not even once.
मतलब क्या बोलूं?
Chill.
नहीं. Seriously, I don't attend so much parties. You know, like ang nub nung yang. Like I go to parties just for dance. The last party I went to is a dandiya party, which is also kind of an ethnic one. I don't like party that much, to be frank. Like, oh, sudah musanan bagai I like it, but nowadays I'm not in a mood to attend. Don't get offended and all.
No, I'm just asking. So, Christina, I think we met 2 years ago. Back then, did you think that we would be friends ever?
No, because like I thought
Confused.
you won't be interested to be friends with me like that.
Oh,
Like,
why?
मतलब ऐसा होता है
I look
ना
so
like
rude.
नहीं, but I thought you were too good to be my friend ऐसे.
Oh my god. Kill me.
Bishi butter खाइजा का.
My next question, I was going through your profile on Instagram. Kaisa photo no khado from Goa, Baba Beach, and you were looking like super super hot. But the caption was like I think it's a song. If I were a boy. Remember?
I don't remember which one was that. What was I wearing?
Black color sheer top.
Black color
with a cap.
Okay. Why did I write that? I don't remember.
That's what I wanted to know. Chalak. Lying.
Sadi. Kubunya ang mo ito pokit ka. Pura 100% pokit ka. Tan bagang sikya.
As if
like
awesome, sexy, super photo. But the caption was.
Abo ang tan bay sikya. Like my captions are like ang time mo ta tam feel kay tong by si depend kayo do. Like I don't remember
so what do you think this what makes you feel this? If I were a boy, if I were a boy, I think I could understand.
Maybe something happened that time.
Heartbreaks, romantic. Tell us something interesting.
I don't know. Something must have happened that time that I wrote that.
Okay.
But
So I am. Arbel is asking where you guys from. We are from Tripura, but right now we live in Bangalore. Okay, why Christina Debbarma? Nini,
yes.
Debbarma.
Ma, Nini, all session ta boring sung nai.
Boring.
These are the questions.
Tell me. This is gonna be very interesting.
These are the questions I answered. This is the question I keep getting in my YouTube again and again. My dad is the Debbarma and my mom is Jamatia. Simple as that. Like Breakup ni title ngkang kamay thang utruk hai. Okay, because like anima bo kasha bini identity lose thang bleng. I want to keep both 50-50. Ang buni bo 3 mano. Like I'm getting both the genes from my father and my mother, so I would like to keep both.
That's amazing. But Christina, Masharidi by Christina no
Masaya.
Ma'am Masanay. By Nirong ni ex-school borok. Angke agi Assam Rifle School of Poriman. Christina, I think you were.
Angke Holy Cross School. Holy Cross School.
Stop questions.
Sunday.
Okay, so next question, okay. If you could only eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would that be?
Only one thing. Like kasha muida kasha item. Kasha mui jada na
kasha item no. Anything, but kasha item no. Maike maishimi, muike muishi. Anything like only one thing that you get to eat. Mane simply like what is your favorite food that you can eat for the rest of your life?
Abo ang muya nong zogu muya kasha man kang muya no gudok muya no tika kai tongan ta. Muya kasha.
Wow, smart. Muya is bamboo shoot, by the way.
Yeah. Bamboo shoot. We love bamboo shoot.
Next is wait. I have which celeb would you want as your best friend? Best friend.
A celeb the. Borani. Bollywood, Hollywood.
Any favorite. I think Korean and
Auntie, yeah. What's one to wear for? Right now, I'm listening to a lot of Kokborok songs. So Biba Jamatia. I really
Oh.
love her. Yeah.
Okay,
But
so Biba Jamatia, no, Nayon, as your best friend.
ang mana bel I kitago bang
Somebody can message her.
Yeah.
It's
I actually
possible.
message her. I actually approach her a lot, and like she's a very kind person. She talks. She even followed me back. What I found in her is she didn't have that kind of attitude, and she followed me back. She even likes my pictures, and she messages me. That's so kind of her, really. And especially
So you can say you already found
like,
a friend.
yeah,
Kisaki-saki.
like not yet. I have not met her. So even she even agreed to meet me. Boma la nyin chau next time ang phai
Bye. Double.
Christina.
Ini kaisa super power tong kai nengta mo kai na mo Christina.
Superpower da ang kemana mo tunggu. Sampai ke kema kangkai, wacana bang roborop kasi nain kangkai. Kangkai bunya tam tanggai tamo rok khai tong mane crime rok bo pura joton nai mano red handed joton no catch khai mano. Kangkai I feel that's the best.
I want shakalaka boom boom. Shakalaka boom boom pencil so that I can do anything and get it.
Drawing khanya deng yang kai neng flop ngai angkong nai. Drawing khanya deng yang kai. By Christina Nini Mom Bo Paranisa. Izaki Riang. Oh, hi Izaki Riang. Ani mang kai Telamurani. Gorjung para नहीं बहुत जगह नहीं जमातिया
कई लोग बोल रहे हैं हिंदी इंग्लिश में बात करो ना रेसिस्ट लोग
क्यों भाई
हम
तुम्हारा
racist नहीं
हिंदी
हैं
इंग्लिश
भाई।
क्यों बात कर रहे कॉकब्रोक में नहीं बात कर सकते क्यों नहीं बात कर सकते
Do you
okay
believe
sure
in soulmates?
yeah
So have you found one?
I guess yes I guess
Ooh. So what do you think about this soulmates, love, relationships?
it's really complicated what to really express whether like what we think right now is our soulmate might not be our soulmate in maybe a few years. I feel like that
Yeah.
like we have this delusion right now I might be feeling that the person I am with right now is my soulmate but maybe he's not like Delhi Mata
Let's see.
like yeah. So I've been in a relationship which broke after a long term of relationship, like about 8 years. So, like now I can't be like I'm not saying that I'm not sure about this, but like I know that we can't be certain about anything in life. God knows, ऐसा भगवान जानता है. हाँ देख लेंगे.
Ang nini bridesmaid dang no?
Nang kai jige khung kan kai single nong kai nge. Cause you'll be married before me. Sure. No, because will you wait for 5 more years?
No.
Yeah. So my marriage is going to be after 5 years. 5 years max to max. Cause I really want a beautiful wedding. Yeah, I really want a beautiful wedding and I want to save for it. By DJ, are you single in Sungu? Ijakiriya. Hi.
Yeah, I'm unmarried.
Wow.
So the only option left is single.
Wow. Official or something yeah. Single, unmarried, married. Yes. Obviously single. I'm also single.
Yeah. High five.
Hi.
Ang kaisa questions may after it we'll read comments again.
Okay. Chal हाँ. बोलो.
Otherwise time खत्म हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
So my question is, what was on your mind when we first met? Batao. I mean, like, how would you describe me to others?
What I think we met in Maiti's birthday, right?
Maiti's birthday, yeah.
Yeah, that was the first time. So I was like shocked. मतलब how मतलब कैसे है ना कि पता नहीं था. I didn't know that you are there. So I was also shocked. Yeah, and I know you from Instagram and Facebook and everything. I was surprised. So, and we started getting along quite fast. Nah? It's not like, were you uncomfortable when we first, huh?
No, I felt like we knew each other from before.
Yeah, that was the feeling I had, like, even me. like before I met you, I thought I never thought that we would meet face to face because we never had plans. So suddenly we met then, and I instantly felt comfortable with you. Okay,
That's so
your
sweet.
your second question answered kangkai. What I will tell Tamsa. Ni second
How
part.
how would you describe me to others?
Okay, how would I describe? Very silent, mane peaceful. Borok peaceful.
Peaceful. I'm
Peaceful
always at
hangkang
peace.
kuno mane bakawa hamya kerizat borok ta. Like you can rely on her.
Cool. Let's go back to comments. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Christina.
Norok kunai solayo. Ilana Debbarma tung korang nuna soldago. Twins
Oh,
manang mana tung.
yeah.
Like पहले जन्म में हम twins
Friends,
थे.
sisters. Childhood.
Mithun bapajak
Hello.
Mithun. Hi Mithun. Kaisa jamati aksin sawo nini YouTube video naina mucungui tongka Christina. Tini horo kena upload kanye tini horo ka all live video non tesha upload kai na channel lo. Tingke te kaisa aksin te sapiro daily no bufru nini YouTube upload kai no nasin tongo. Oh hambai. By DJ nini kami boro DJ babu.
Ani kami ke duski te dia mura. Para ni mungkin para kolok. Ani cini para ekdom kolok ma.
Nin para by and man para gana sing na Simon. Like once let's go to Tripura together. Like we have never been to Tripura together, right?
Yes.
Let's plan to go to Tripura together and like we'll vlog really good. Like awesome vlog.
Lockdown pa ke thang lai nai.
Thang lai ne abang ang wansuk tung. Actually ani grandmom bot na bedridden. Like really bad condition ota. Facebook no kona. Nkan ka abang no tabuk. Like I feel so bad. I won't be able to be there. Like we know that it's her time, but amti ada bat. Sinya sekang washan nung nang musunya ada ba. Bono kan kai ma it's sad feeling. Let's keep that.
Hopefully that coronavirus and stuff.
Packing.
Please.
Ow.
Yeah.
Abono. By Christina, you are look like 20 years old. Hambai, brighter happiness.
The next thing by ni rong nila by her da khai ja kha. Yes.
Boro by ni rong nila by hard da khai jaka. Hard happen asuk buya. Angle asuk buya like I really got good men in my life. And like I was blessed with good men. Even I won't say bad about my ex ever. So just time. Like
Okay, let's skip next.
Oi by ni para boro sa paramang sui tong bai knanya ti se olo.
Ang para khai tu tu phai ma lai
phai kidnap kaisa sakao comment khayo do bi para boro in sungo kidnap khaina bagi de sungbai in chao comment do sakao nang like chao.
We should be careful.
Yeah.
But you kidnap khai ko no man na kare bhai.
Ko laugh kare. By the way, I just want to ask you, is it okay if in future if I ask you to play for my wedding? Wow.
Deal da.
Charge कितना करूँ हो रहा है?
Nothing like that. Helen.
JD Hamtor, hello. So JD Hamtor is actually my ex-boyfriend's neighbor. So he's a cute
hello.
kid. Yeah, hi.
Akshay, Jamatia Akshay, Christina nung belay na naito.
Oh wow, hambay. Jamatia ba, Jamatia na naitsa kata.
Okay. So Christina, now that you have number of fans who are loving and enjoying your videos and like also everything that's on Insta, whether it's on Insta or YouTube. TikTok, everything. You have so many fans now, right? So of course you value them and but do you want to say anything specific to them? To all the lovers?
Tam sanay hambay naman sa sinite sa kang ba?
Auto.
Yeah. So also that
any updates?
Updates to kuna update to kuri ko tao no ko si lockdown no singa kuna special anti video to khaimya ko. So I'm just uploading whatever whatever videos I had taken on December last year. So many of them get confused. They think that I'm still in Tripura. Yeah, so they don't know, most of them, that I am in Bangalore. So if suddenly in between I upload Bangalore's videos, they think, "Are bhai, nang to miya si Tripura tongan bla nahi chawta." So they get confused. So I'm in Bangalore and I am uploading 2019 videos still. I am going a little laid back. So hopefully ang updated videos kay manay tam ni ka ang samongo 9 hours job ba kayong kat phayi edit kainan kisa kostong mani. Tab lockdown ni bagi siya I am keeping myself like much more active in YouTube. So this has been a blessing to me, this lockdown. I know it might sound kind of bad when people are dying out, but for me it was like something to learn more and do things more. So I hope that I will be creating more content in future.
Yeah, actually, this lockdown have made people so creative. I can see everybody doing something or the other.
Yeah, correct,
Otherwise,
correct.
I don't go like we
Zora
don't spend
correct.
time to do anything extra.
I don't know, like we go to work, we come back, we cook, we have food, and we have to do some household work. I'm a butike khanya by editing rock.
You know,
Move
I
on.
feel this lockdown thing is really good for not for us but for other animals and nature.
Correct, correct, correct. Like
It's
humans.
like now
Yeah,
the
yeah.
nature is showing you who is
Yeah.
the boss.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
And last question. You know, along with this fans and lovers comes along the haters. So do you have
Yes.
haters? How many of them? Can you count them?
Actually, ang personally ang ana shitra rakinta kang kunang do. But the problem with most of the haters or trollers in Tripura is they directly go to the private parts or to slut shame us. So saying that S word or a lot of things. So there are a lot of comments I've got. So this kind of haters, I have directly blocked them in YouTube, out of my YouTube channel, because my mother also watches all my YouTube videos and also checks all my comments. And so it is uncomfortable for her. For me, at least I can take all the bad stuff, but I don't want her to see it and feel uncomfortable. So that's the reason I blocked them out. And also there are so much, this around 10 haters, as soon as I upload the YouTube videos, they are ready to hit the dislike button. Like, like for example, any video let 10 minutes say.
Just to
Yeah. Any video let 10 minutes say. Nang nai asole na dislike kanya kato. Nang 10 minutes ulo dislike kanya ble. How can you dislike my video just after like 10 seconds of my upload? Yeah. They must really hate me. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean,
like but these are a part of coming to social media. You have to get along with this. Like borok tong nai no, you can't get them out of the system. This is a part of the social media
it's hard
life.
Cool, so these were my questions. Now let's get back to comments, and after that I'll play a track for you.
Yes.
Nama was Hanita. I really had fun. Kokborok? Oh, okay, I'll play. Ready to play this song?
Yes.
So, there's two special tracks for you. Did you like it?
Yeah, that's really good. I think we should also come live. After this lockdown, I'll come to your house and we will do a live together.
Sure. Kalau may thang kana kisabay no. Christina, belay kinang hambay. Ano live join kaiman bagay kini. I really had so much fun, especially knowing all the answers. And
viewers rok by bo interact kai I can aram nang khas. Thank you so much. Sadat para level 9 to everyone and people who are joining now. Sorry, we are ending.
So sorry.
See you guys tomorrow. Kanama lai shinai. Jotono no hambai.
Bye.